We are going to move on to our border icing recipe. We are going to start with the powdered sugar in a bowl and add in our wet ingredients. Next, we will mix until you get a very thick icing. Next, we are going to move on to our flood icing. We are going to start with the powdered sugar in the bowl and add our wet ingredients just like the border icing. Then we are going to add food coloring. We chose blue, but you can choose whatever color you'd like. Next, we are going to mix until we get a nice runny consistency for the icing. Now we are going to ice our cookies. We are going to open the bag and we are going to fill the bag with our border icing. This is the icing that is thicker. Next, you're going to cut just the very tip of the bag, like so. And we are going to push the icing down to the bottom. Next, we are going to outline the borders of our cookies. Now we are going to take the flood icing, and with a spoon, we are going to fill in the middle of our cookies. Be careful to use just a little bit at a time because it's the flood icing, it spreads very quickly. Now we are going to let our cookies dry. So give them about 10-20 minutes. And then now we are going to go back with our border icing, which is the thick icing, and we are going to add some extra decorations to our cookies. Here we are making snowflakes, but your cookie cutter may have been a different shape, so feel free to decorate them however you'd like. And then enjoy!